Hello friend, this is Vidyut Vishwas and welcome to my channel Hidden Gem Hunting. This is my third video and you all know that my second video is on Nifty Metal Index and on of its all stocks, and I got very good feedback on my second video, and everyone saying that this video is very good and that is the very good for those who want to learn. So now I am making the third video on the Alchem Lab, total technical analysis of the Alchem Lab and why I am bullish on Alchem Lab. I will discuss one by one. And first, I will start with the website of the Alchem Lab. And from the website, we can easily see that it's a multinational company and global giants, and also obviously you all know about this stock. This Alchem Lab is a very well-known company, and if you will see its website, that is also good. For me, the website is clear that it to whole worldwide is having its presence, and also its website. See here, it's a present at the US market, Australian market, European market, UK and Germany, Latin America market, Chile, and emerging market, France, West Africa, South Africa, East Africa, Philippines, and Kazakhstan. So from its website, it is very clear that it is a good multinational company and having presence to all over the world. Now I will cover some fundamental. Actually, I am not a don't know any fundamental things, or I am not a fundamental analyst, but I will try to cover some fundamental here which I am looking generally. Those are the mainly sales growth. If you will check its website, you see here it's a big constant sales growth and profit growth quarter after quarter. And last this December 2019 result is available. If you will compare with the last December quarter of the 2018, see, last December quarter sales was 1926 crore, and this year December quarter sales was 2182 crore, and profit was 16.94 crore, and now this time is 31.95 crore, or almost double. So it's a very good means sales growth and profit growth constantly. Now I will check the year on year results. See here, each yearly result is also available. See, from the 2011 here, it is available. At the 2011 sales was only 1687 crore, and now is sales is TTM sales is 8150 crore. So within the 10 years time frames, its sales became almost five times, and profit also at the year of the 2011 it was 296 crore, and now this is the 1115 crore. So sales also became the five times compared with the within 10 years. So having consistent profit growth. See here, from the 2011 to it is a year on it, year after year, having good consistent profit growth. And these are the all I know about the fundamental, and these are the only things I am always checking the fundamental about the fundamentals. But now I will discuss about this chart. See here is the daily chart of the Alchem Lab. See here, before the paged correction, uh, uh, its high was around this zone, and see here at this zones, it's having a very tough resistance here, and last it's not able to cross this zone last time. So after that, it's corrected from here, and from the 2600, it's corrected from the 2600 to up to almost 2000 level. Up to now again it's bounced back and it's given good breakout above this resistance zone. So now we will have to draw a 10 line above this resistance zone. See here, with this big candle, it's broken its resistance, and now and after we all know that after broken any resistance that became the support. Three see here, last three candles taking comfortable support on this resistance. Previously resistance, now it is support, and now all the three days, see here, all the three candles are the strong red candle. That means it's open at a high, and but it's failed to go high and ultimately close at the lower level. That means that's why its color is red. That means it's trying to break this support zone, but it's not able to broke. And again next day also strong red candle again failed to break this support zone. And this one also a very strong red candle. So consistently 3 days, consecutive 3 days, is tried to break this support level, but ultimately it's not able to break this level. And now ultimately today it's given a very good green candle or strong green candle. So it's a very good sign after retesting the breakout level, now giving a strong green candle. That's a very good sign. That's a very good sign. uh, and now second thing, we will check the volume. See at this zone there is almost nil volume, is no volume. See here at this zone good volume buildup is also there. So as per technical point of view, this chart is very good. Now obviously I will check the long term chart also, because I never taking confirmation from only one time frame chart. So if we will check the time frame chart, longer time frame chart, see here at the year of the starting of the 2017 also is try. See 2017 it's having high of the almost 2239 rupees. Again it's corrected and again given top at the same zone, again at the corrected and again given top at the same zone. See here at this zone 2000 from the 2017 to 2020 it traded with a range bound. All it having would say all we can say it's having a common multi-year resistance in 2250 level, at the 2250 level. And now at this zone it's a break multi-year resistance, and we all know that whenever any stocks or index a break multi-year resistance, it's a very good sign. See here after that, after the breaking its went like a rocket, and after that it's it retested this breakout level and again give a good strong green candle. And obviously with this breakout and the daily chart, we got confirmation for the further up move. So as per my analysis, it may give, it may take some time, but it may give double, more than double return from here. It's a very good this type of breakout, multi-year breakout is very good for the long term, long term journey. And always it indicates that it's uptrend has started. So with this breakout at the daily chart, always we can take the entry. So I will obviously take the entry, but always this is friends, this is a stock market. Nothing is confirmed here, nothing is granted here. So obviously we will have to calculate the stop loss also here. So I always put the stop loss 2% below the breakout line. So what is your breakout line? Your breakout line is the 2274, and so we will put 2% below the stop loss line. That means it's near about 2219, and its closing price is 2255. So our almost risk is from the stop loss to closing price, risk is almost 5%. That is a very good risk. We will obviously, if you will want to invest, then obviously you will have to take the 5% risk at least. So now this is all with the 5% risk we can enter here. And obviously it will go high, then obviously with the increasing price is scaling change, stop loss also will change with the increasing price. So obviously, I will update later about the tailing stop loss method. That is also very good technical things. Obviously, and please, friends, and but before closing this video, I one thing I want to share with you, that I am not a heavy registered analysis, or I don't having any authority to share my calls with you. So please friends, use this video for learning purpose only. If you want to invest, please do your own analysis before investing here. So friends, it's all about the Alchem Lab. Now bye and good night.